Okay, boom. I wanted to record a quick update on IPOE so y'all didn't have a heart attack, because I know how some of you guys get. Okay, so you see it's finally got some movement going. Anything with this kind of movement is good because volume is going to work in our favor again, first of all. Second of all, if you check the daily chart, you see it's still sitting in the same channel it's been sitting, but it's in an uptrend after a freaking triple bottom right here, and it looks ready to take off. All right, it's just breaking out of this channel here, and it's got a long way to run once it does. So I have over 300 calls in IPOE right now. They were cheap. I had to do it. The opportunity is huge. Shit, I gotta share a different screen. Hold on, new share. Let's go here. Just share my whole damn thing. Boom, got it. All right. So let's check our borrow desk. Okay, so this is the most updated information on shares available to short. So as of yesterday, there were 10,000 shares left available to short. And 2 days before that, there was only 100. All right, so the short position, the fee is also huge right now, 69%. So somebody's holding a bunch of these shares short. They already sold them. They're waiting to cover, and we're just holding our breath until they do. Also, you are a huge pussy if you're worrying about a May 21st call today. It's not even in the same month, so I'm not paying no attention. Second of all, everything looks to be catching a nice little bounce today. See, everything's pushing over VWAP and the moving average here. Oh, he looks like IPOE's about to see. It's got the 1750 fucking huge ass order for no damn reason sitting there. I wonder if it's even real. I wonder if they'll pull it. They could just be fucking with us. This stock is heavily manipulated, as are all these specs like this butte. This baby's gonna fly one day. You see all these orders for the same damn numbers close to it. It's just somebody fucking with us. Look at this one. This one's great. Look at that baby. What? Who is paying that right now? Look at that fucking buy order right there. Who is buying almost $2 million worth of this stock right now? I mean, they just want to pick up everything at that price. But you see, it could be the same person selling it right here. And that's why it's so heavily manipulated, because it could just be a freaking program they have set up to algorithmically grab shit in between a range and sell it and buy and sell and buy and sell and make pennies. It'd be a hell of an algorithm, but I bet somebody could do it. It also could just be people who know the value of this stock and are like, if it drops anywhere near 10, I'm grabbing all the shares. But back to IPOE. Okay, so they released some shit about crypto today. Good news, nothing happened. But the shorts are out of shares. The short, it looks like, unless there's somebody who can tell me, can everybody please go check their brokerage and see if they can short IPOE and what the fees are like to do so, because it's looking like they're out of hope right now. It's looking like we have a lot to look forward to right now. But that one fucking cell right here is killing us. So fucking wall to run through. But if they announce that the SEC approved that, so they submitted their, what the fuck, I can't remember any damn forms right. S4 maybe, and then they had to revise it, and they had to revise it because the SEC changed the way they were viewing warrants. So I think they used to view them as liabilities, or maybe they used to view them as assets. Now they have to view them as liabilities, something like that. Anyways, the whole point is all that they had to do was redo a little bit of their accounting and resubmit the same forms to get approved. So it's going to take a couple extra weeks. But here's the thing. If you sit around waiting to get an IPOE, those forms are going to come out in the morning. You can't buy no damn options in the morning. So this thing's going to go from 17, 16.50, as low as it goes down to. I don't think it'll get below 17, but it might. But let's just say it hits 17, and then the next day you're gonna wake up and this thing's gonna be 20 before the option market even opens. And when it does open, it's gonna have been so volatile, the premiums are gonna be through the roof. So those $20 calls that we're getting for $20 right now, or $30 right now at the most, those babies are gonna be going for $200-300 fast when this thing goes up. And it might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, but the shorts are out of shares and news is coming soon, whether you like it or not. So I don't know what the shorts plan is. They can't push it down any lower. Are they just hoping that they crush the momentum enough to push it down? I don't know. But whatever it is, I don't think it's going to work. I think it's about to fly up to 17.50 right now. Speak of the fucking devil. Come on, you piece of shit. Anyways, I got to meet with my new assistant and teach him how to do everything. So, boom. Here's the update on IPOE. I highly recommend holding that shit. You can sell if you really want to, but May 21st is a long way away. This baby got a long way to run. This thing's got to hit 25 before I even think about selling anything. And I got over 300 calls, but those babies cost me pennies. They were so cheap I could not resist. I probably only spent maybe $10,000 total in this play, which is my biggest position. But that's because some of them are for June, some of them are for August, some of them are for May, some of them are for 17.50, some of them for 20, some of them for 15. I sold most of the 15s yesterday when it popped, and then I'll roll them into more 17.50s because I think this thing has so much room to go. All right, so you saw it happen with MVIS. They got earnings too. That could pop off. You saw it happen with Skills. That position's just still getting shorter, and they got plenty. I have to get on this damn call. I'm sorry, I get distracted. But you'll see they have plenty of shares available to short. 500,000 shares available to short for them. So they got plenty of room to fall. Whereas IPOE, who's going to push it down? All right. Anyways, hope this helps somebody out. Peace.